Hey guys, welcome back to Health 110. This week we are getting into a social component of health and wellness, and we're discussing social relationships and communication. When we talk about social relationships, of course, we're talking about all types of relationships, from friendships um, to online relationships to dating and romantic relationships. So the chapter goes into pretty good detail with each. It provides some healthy tips, particularly around communication and its role in relationships. So this week is pretty much business as usual. You've got this video. Another video titled 100 Dates of Summer. It's also embedded in the PowerPoint, but I noticed that it was uh, kind of acting up, for lack of a better term, when I tried to play it through the PowerPoint. It was lagging and just not working as I would like, so I included it separately. Be sure to click this link so you get credit for it on your checklist, even if you do watch it through the PowerPoint. You've got My Labs Plus, your Chapter 10 quiz, which is about 32 questions, not too long. And then, as always, make sure you're checking your bar over here so that it's filled completely for your checklist. Guys, we only have about 5 weeks left in the semester, so continue doing great work. And remember, I'm always just an email away if you have any questions. Let's have a great week. Take care.